In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Twilio with Monday.com. Twilio offers an array of programmable communication tools, making it easy to create and manage phone calls, text messages, and other communication functions through their web service APIs. This powerful integration allows you to streamline and automate your communication workflows right within Monday.com. To begin, you will need an active Twilio account. If you don't have one yet, head over to Twilio's website to sign up. It's a straightforward process, and once you've got your account set up, you're ready to dive into the integration. Now, with your Twilio account ready to go, log in to your Monday.com workspace. At the top right corner of your dashboard, you'll find an Integrate button. Click on it, and in the search bar that appears, type Twilio. From the list of options that pop up, select Twilio. Choosing a template is your next step. Templates in Monday.com provide a useful starting point for setting up your desired integration. After selecting the appropriate template, you'll need to log in using your Twilio credentials. This will include your account SID, your auth token, and your Twilio phone number. These are essential for establishing the connection between the two platforms. Once those details are filled in, click Connect and complete the authentication process. You are now ready to start automating your messages or calls using Twilio directly within Monday.com. Let's go back to your board on Monday.com. In the top right corner, you will see an Automate button. Click on that and again type Twilio into the search bar. You'll discover various template options available for different actions. Select the one that aligns with the task you aim to automate. With the right template selected, it's time to customize it. You'll notice that certain words or phrases are highlighted, typically in bold. These are placeholders that you'll need to replace with specific information relevant to your board. This could be particular cells, columns, or even specific phone numbers associated with your tasks. Carefully replace these placeholders to ensure your messages or calls are directed and crafted accurately. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Twilio with Monday.com. This setup not only saves time, but also enhances the efficiency of your communication processes by automating routine tasks. Remember, automation can significantly streamline your workflow, so be sure to explore and utilize the various templates available as your needs grow. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like the video if you did, and subscribe for more insightful tutorials. Happy automating!